Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best vacuums under $200 that are available on the market for their true quality. If you're looking for a budget-friendly vacuum that still gets the job done, you're in the right place. You can find all the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the Amazon Basics Upright Bagless Vacuum Cleaner. This is the most affordable option on our list, priced at just $53.99. It's perfect for budget-conscious buyers who want a simple, lightweight vacuum that can handle both carpets and hard floors. This vacuum weighs only 8.4 pounds, making it extremely portable and maneuverable. It features a large 1.7-liter dust cup, which means you can clean longer without frequent trips to the trash. The 25-foot cord provides plenty of reach, and the included crevice and upholstery tools are great for tackling tight spaces and furniture. Plus, the washable filter makes maintenance a breeze. However, while it's affordable, it does have limitations. Its suction power is adequate for light cleaning, but it may struggle with deeply embedded dirt or pet hair. The build quality is functional, but feels a bit less durable compared to pricier options. This vacuum is best for smaller spaces like apartments or dorm rooms, and for users who need a no-frills cleaning solution. If you're on a tight budget, this is a solid pick. Coming in at number 4 is the Eureka NEU10AE5 Airspeed Ultra Lightweight Vacuum Cleaner. Priced at $59.99, this vacuum is a great choice for those looking for a versatile, lightweight option with decent performance across carpets and hard floors. The Eureka Airspeed features a 10.5-inch cleaning path, allowing you to cover more ground in less time. It weighs only 7.7 pounds, so it's easy to carry around the house or up and down stairs. The quick-release handle and onboard tools, such as the crevice tool and dusting brush, make above-floor cleaning a breeze. Plus, the washable filter ensures there are no ongoing maintenance costs. In terms of performance, the suction power is impressive for its price, but the shorter hose length of 1.5 feet limits its reach for high or awkward areas. The build quality is decent, but the lightweight design may feel less sturdy compared to heavier models. This vacuum is ideal for small to medium-sized homes and for users who want a compact, affordable vacuum for everyday cleaning tasks. At number 3, we have the Bissell CleanView Compact Upright Vacuum, Model 3508. This is another budget-friendly vacuum priced at $59.99, but it packs a punch with powerful suction in a lightweight, compact design. One standout feature is its scatter-free technology, which minimizes debris scatter on hard floors. Weighing less than 8 pounds, this vacuum is incredibly portable and easy to maneuver, making it great for dorm rooms, apartments, or tight spaces. The removable extension wand adds flexibility for cleaning above-floor areas, such as curtains or shelves. Plus, the easy empty dirt container allows for quick disposal of debris. While this vacuum does an excellent job with surface debris and hard floors, it may not be the best option for heavy-duty carpet cleaning or homes with lots of pet hair. The 1-liter dust capacity also means you'll need to empty it more frequently. Overall, it's a great choice for smaller spaces or as a secondary vacuum for quick cleanups. In second place, we have the Bissell CleanView Compact Turbo, Model 3437F. Priced at $69.99, this vacuum offers full-size power in a compact and lightweight design, making it perfect for small spaces without sacrificing performance. This vacuum features powerful suction and scatter-free technology, making it highly effective on hard floors and low-pile carpets. Weighing just 10 pounds, it's easy to move and store, and a quick-release wand allows you to clean above-floor areas effortlessly. Additionally, the design supports Bissell's Pet Foundation, so every purchase helps save pets in need. While it delivers excellent performance for its size, it's not as robust as some of the larger models on this list when dealing with pet hair or deeply embedded dirt. The 1-liter dustbin is also on the smaller side, requiring frequent emptying. That said, its compact size, powerful suction, and affordable price make it a fantastic option for apartments or quick cleanups. Taking the top spot at number 1 is the Bissell 2252 CleanView Swivel Upright Bagless Vacuum. Priced at $119.99, it's the most expensive option on our list, but it justifies the price with premium features and exceptional performance. The standout feature here is the triple action brush roll, which loosens, lifts, and removes embedded pet hair effortlessly. The swivel steering makes it incredibly easy to maneuver around furniture, and the edge-to-edge cleaning ensures no dirt is left in corners or along walls. It also includes specialized pet tools for cleaning upholstery and stairs, making it a dream for pet owners. Plus, with a large capacity dirt tank and easy empty design, you won't have to stop frequently to empty it. The Bissell 2252 is slightly heavier at 12.5 pounds, but the sturdy build quality and powerful suction make up for the added weight. It's ideal for medium to large homes, especially those with pets or a mix of carpet and hard floors. If you're looking for a high-performing vacuum under $200, this is the one to beat. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope this video helped you find the perfect vacuum for your needs. If you enjoyed the video, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and make sure to subscribe to our channel. Let us know in the comments which vacuum you're planning to get. And if you have any questions, feel free to ask. See you in the next video.